Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix unable to check in online on American Airlines. Now there's a lot of common issues. One is flight restrictions. So different reasons why you might be unable to check in online if your first flight is not operated by American Airlines, you're traveling with a pet, weapon, or firearm, or if you are an unaccompanied minor, then you might not be able to check in online, so you'll have to check in person. Okay, and also the check-in window also matters because online check-in is usually available from between 1 to 24 hours before departure for domestic flights and 2 to 24 hours before departure for international flights. And occasionally, guys, there's temporary technical issues with the American Airlines website or app. So if you want to go ahead and fix this issue, you need to check in at the airport. You can check in at the ticket counter or at a self-service kiosk. You can also go ahead and contact American Airlines for assistance. If you have a persistent problem, just contact them. Their customer service for help. And of course, make sure you check your booking details. Ensure that your booking information is correct and that you're using the correct confirmation code or your AAdvantage number. Okay? But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, consider smashing the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.